actually. So here you saw the mobile first approach of Nuvade. You saw the web application. And with this one, because we often focus, all right? So we always encounter these issues with dealing with clients, right? Um, we want always to save time and we want to save money. And with that process that I've shown you earlier, the graph illustrates that the difference between a traditional or conventional way of dealing or managing these defects, it requires rework costs, traditional methods. It is very time consuming, but utilizing Novade, we see a 50% reduction in defect rectification cost and 50% reduction in rectification time. So sometimes we often focus na baka mahal yung ating ano no. So okay, let's have this perspective. So we often focus on the upfront cost of the projects, the upfront cost of the software, but what about the cost of not addressing the defects effectively? So as you can see, the initial cost associated with identifying and managing defects is around, let's just say, 1.5 million. Let's just say. So now it might seem like a big significant investment or a big investment, but however, by proactively addressing these issues, the project achieved annual savings will reach likely to be 3.5 millions per year. So this study is actually conducted back by Novade with different project sites and identifying 30,000 of defects. And the final result is the annual with this, you can have as much as 127% return of investment. So we say, and putting it into perspective, that's roughly 67 pesos saved per defect. So imagine, alam natin guys, on site on the construction side, no, there are a lot of defects and they are managed terribly. Sometimes di pa natin makita because we don't have enough managing power for this one. But let's put it into perspective. Less defects, it saves you time and it saves you as well money. All right. So we also want, of course, yung Novade, it only not emphasizes about time and money, but it also emphasizes the way of handling defects. So remember, guys, if you won't be using any software like as I say Novade, so you will be required physically to go on site just to double check the defect. Manual entry of data sa Excel, sa spreadsheet, a lot of paperwork, especially with the checklists, with the permits, time consuming scheduling, and of course, think about the time spent traveling to sites, filling out forms, and ang pinaka nakakainis, chasing down signatures. Kailangan pa natin hanapin yung tao para lang pumirma sa ating mga forms. Now, with Novade, we can solve that one with just all in a single app. Now, thinking back sa ating dinemo, we saw how digital forms work. We saw how digital checklist. There is a real-time photo capture. There is an instant reporting and collaboration. It accelerates issue resolution. We saw a centralized dashboard that provides real-time insights. Therefore, we can say that Novade, we help automate repetitive tasks in quality management, freeing up your teams and to focus in bis na mag paperworks no or more on this, they can focus on the critical activities. We can provide accurate and real-time data for better decision making, ensuring that you have insights you need for an informed choices. We improve compliance, minimizing risk, and of course, Novade saves time and allowing you to complete your projects faster and more efficient. So I do hope that this is something that we can work on towards ano na, in the future. But I only shown you guys quality module, and from the quality module I only shown you inspection and defect. There is a lot more about Novade, especially with safety and productivity. So whatever the size or complexity of your project, we can help you digitize your field processes and leveraging your data. All right. So and I think that's it. If you are interested with Novade, and I do hope that you are, feel free to message us or to contact anyone from us. And magkano po yung halaga ng solution na to? Actually, we can talk about that if you are interested. We can have an internal meeting. We can have a more deeper and more personalized demo for you guys so that we can have a much better plan and proposal for your organization. All right. So before we proceed with the Q&A portion, I just would love to share to you a very short video from one of our clients. All right. So
Colas Rail, we undertake detailed design, procurement, build, testing and commissioning, and maintenance of the railway system. Traditionally, in the construction industry, it's mostly relying on the team to collect all the data generated by a project, analyze them, and act upon them. All these are done on paperwork, verbal communication with little record. So using a cloud-based system, I believe that we have instant access to the data. They are collected instantly on mobile device and allow the team involved and the stakeholder of a project to quickly have access to the data and act upon them.
I work at Colas Rail Indonesia. We're working on LRT project in Jakarta. We're heading toward Cibubur Station. Novate being used in Colas Rail at every level of supervise. Once we report it in Novate, all of our supervisor can see what's being reported. Every report, we can say it was online. We use the Novate as distributing point for drawing, for form, so we don't have to carry a lot of paper to sign, but we can sign it on Novate and the other supervisor can see it. It was already approved on real time, I mean.
Aplikasi Novate kita gunakan yaitu untuk Departemen Keekuisi, banyak membantu. Yang pertama itu mempercepat waktu, yang kedua mudahnya tidak perlu lagi kita mengantar report melalui manual kepada klien. Kita cukup hanya mensubmit menggunakan sistem Novate ini sehingga klien kita sudah bisa menerima report yang mereka inginkan. Pengaruhnya mempersingkat waktu, tidak banyak menggunakan kertas di dalam pembuatan laporan kerja.
Kami sih lebih banyak menggunakan di bidang safety ya, karena sesuai dengan bidang yang saya geluti ya, safety lebih banyak yang digunakan. Saya sih lebih banyak menggunakan safety dan time card. Safety kami gunakan untuk membuat laporan harian kami sesuai dengan aktivitas yang dilakukan kami di lapangan, seperti untuk membuat observation report ataupun NCR, ataupun kita untuk mengendalikan izin kerja atau permit pekerjaan di Colas Rail ini. Ini sangat membantu Pak, karena dengan kondisi proyek yang cukup mobile Pak, dan jarak yang cukup jauh, menggunakan aplikasi Novate ini sangat menghemat waktu kami, dan juga laporan yang dibuat tidak perlu kita print, karena ya bisa dibilang paperless lah Pak.
So what I like in Novate is that it's easy and quick to implement. It's mobile and it doesn't need a lot of customization before we can implement it. What is good in technology, it shouldn't be a burden to the team, but it should assist the team to better perform the day-to-day work. This is how we can improve our productivity and get good results on the production side.